So how to install SAP CONCUR app. So just tap get and you will be able to install it. Just double click to install. It's quite popular app. You can see nearly million ratings here. It's quite high in the business charts. If you see, Concur Travel, Concur Expense, or Concur Invoice at work, download this companion app for your iPhone or iPad to manage your travel and expenses when you're on the go. With SAP CONCUR mobile app, you can review and improve expense reports, invoices and travel requests, snap a photo of your receipt, book a flight or rail ticket, reserve hotel rooms, or rent a car. Get hotel suggestions, integrate your itinerary with Trippy to get real-time travel alerts and updates, and then you can just open it up. And then you just need to sign in with your SAP CONCUR. So yeah, that's how you get started.